What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, for you guys that may not know, and welcome, guys. I'm so happy to have you. Today is going to be a very quick one, guys. We're going to be unboxing The Box by Fashionsta, and it's late as usual. Y'all know I'm not happy with that. If you guys want to see what's inside December's The Box, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today. Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. Today is gonna be very quick. We're doing The Box. I'm gonna give you some specs. We're gonna unbox it, final thought it out, rate it, and then we're gonna be done. But please stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a couple announcements to make as far as the giveaway and what's coming up later on in this week. So guys, without further ado, let's get on into the specs of this box here. For you guys that do not know, The Box is a $19.99 per month beauty subscription. Well, it was a $19 per month beauty subscription, but starting next month in January, it will be increasing to $24.99 for any new subscribers to The Box. If you are already subscribed to this box, it will remain $19.99 each month. But if you're new to subscribe, it will be $24.99 each month starting in January. And you get 5 to 7 beauty products each month. And it's supposed to have a value of, well, a minimum value of, I think, $150. This is a vegan and cruelty-free brand. And guys, without further ado, let's get it on and poppin', boo. So the box comes like this, just a standard black box with the white writing. The top of the box, it says that, warning, the contents of the box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. And they have some other stuff, and that's what it looks like, guys. It does come with a card each month, and it says New Year, New You 2020, 20% off code. Use the code NEW. I'm assuming for 20% off of anything on their website. And on the back, they give us a list of the products as well as the prices, which y'all know I'm going to put down at the bottom. I have not watched any unboxings yet on the box because I wanted to kind of be surprised and see what I get. But, I mean, at this point, y'all already know. I'm not happy with a late box. When we open her up, they always come with this little black stuff here. Okay, guys, so up first on top, I am seeing this Teamy Soothe Tea Infused Oil in lavender and sage. And we've gotten this brand, I think, twice already in our boxes. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And let's open her up. Oh, this is very pretty. You get 2 ounces of product in it, and this is what it looks like. It's this nice dark blue liquid oil. Let's see. Let's smell it. Oh, it does smell exactly like the lavender essential oils, and they have some pieces of sage in it. So that's what it looks like, guys. This nice blue color. And oops, I don't want to drop it all over. And let's see what it says on the card about this. And this is the Soothe Facial Oil from Teamy, and it's infused with lavender, sage, and blue tansy oil to provide deep calming sensation to the skin. Oils are a pure form of moisturizer that seamlessly absorbs into the deeper layers of the skin, leaving it soft, nourished, and glowing. And this, guys, retails for $40. Okay. Now, I did not forget to do my shout outs for my first 5 commenters on my Glitz Glam box. I will do that towards the end of the video, guys. Okay. Up next, I am pulling out this Rosy Cheeks facial oil, and this is from, I don't know who. Let me check on my card. This is from Naturally Vain, and it's a Rosy Cheeks facial scrub. And that's what the container looks like right there, guys. It smells like roses, just like roses. And this is what the inside of the contents look like. I'm sorry if there is a glare, but it is full to the top. I'm not going to touch this because I'm not sure if I'm going to use this or not yet. It's got a lot of rose scent in it. And my skin, I don't know how well that will work on my skin. But I did see this product on Instagram. And a lot of people were complaining that it looked like it was touched or they had a handprint in their scrub. And I read in the comments that this is hand poured. So I don't know how people feel about that. I don't know if they're using gloves. I don't really know too much about that part of it. But let's see what it says on the card. And this is the Naturally Vain Rosy Cheeks Facial Scrub. It's an exfoliating facial cleanser with rose petals, gently exfoliates and eliminates dead skin cells. And you apply a small amount to the face and gently wash, remove with water, and dry. So yeah, guys, and this retails for $12. And how much do you get in here? Let's see. You get 2 ounces of product in here as well. Next up, we have a CBD pain reliever bath bomb. It has eucalyptus and peppermint in it. And this is what it looks like, guys. And this is just like a nice little bath bomb. I do like bath bombs, but I know a lot of people are sensitive with putting bath bombs in their water. So I don't know how that's gonna work for some people, but I really don't mind. I haven't tried a eucalyptus one and peppermint before, so I hope it don't like, you know, burn nothing or whatever, but we'll try it and see. It does have CBD in it, which is supposed to be a pain reliever, so hopefully so. And let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Fresh Bombs CBD Bath Bomb, and it retails for $12 for one. Okay. Up next, we have something that's bubble wrapped up, and it is a palette, I think. Yes, it is from Kaz Cosmetics. It is a 4-color eyeshadow, and it's called Crescent Moon. And this is what the outside packaging looks like, and it matches my shirt. Isn't that cool? Oh, well, it does come with a mirror, but as you guys can see, Ophelia, it fell completely out. So, the palette is, there we go. I'll swatch the other colors. It looks like it's all like duochromed in a couple of shimmer colors. So I'll go ahead and swatch those. Well, let me pick up this one that fell out right there. Ugh. Let's go ahead on and swatch it. Let me be gentle because this one is just, look at that. That is just, oh God. This is what they look like on my fingertips, guys. The one that fell out is this one right here, which is a very pretty color, but it's very soft and just like melts away. So I probably will not be using that. But these 3 colors swatched really pretty, especially in New Moon. This shade right here, New Moon, swatched out really nice. Look at that. It's really, really, really pretty. So I do like the 3 of the 4 shades, but Kaz Cosmetics gonna have to do a little better with their eyeshadows because it just like slid right out of the pack, and it's just, I don't know. It's pretty colors though. And let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Crescent Moon Eyeshadow Quad, and it retails for $45. We're going to deal with that in final thoughts. Up next, guys, we have from, what is this? Cara Beauty. This is the Glow Getter Highlighter Palette, and that's what the outside looks like right here. And we're going to open it up. It does come wrapped up in this little plastic here. So this is what it looks like outside the plastic. When you slide it out, it's like that. And, oh, okay, these are pretty. It does come with a mirror. Hey, girl. Shades right there, guys. Now, I think that this palette is quite universal. I think a lot of complexions will be able to use these highlighters. I think they are pretty. We're going to swatch them and see, and I might put one on my face today. So let's go ahead. Oh, they feel very soft. That's what they look like on my fingertips, guys. And they'll be pretty as highlighters as well as some maybe eyeshadows, a nice inner corner shadow. So that is very pretty. And let's put a little bit on. I'm gonna use my ABH highlighting brush. And today I'm gonna try, let's put on this one right here in the bottom. We're gonna try that one. Oh, okay. Well. That is actually quite blinding. It's very pretty though. So let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the Glow Getter Highlighter Palette, and it retails for $15. We have one more product, guys. And last but not least, we have 1520 Brightening That Glow Dough mask here. And that's what it looks like on the outside. And this is a brightening mask. It has honey, royal jelly extract. Cleanse and dry your face, smooth the mask over face, sit back and relax for 15 to 20 minutes, I'm assuming. Gently remove the mask, massage the remaining serum into the skin, and then you're ready to go. So it must be like one of those brightening, glowy type face masks. And let's see what this retails for, guys. And this is the 1520 sheet face mask, and it retails for $7, okay? So guys, that was the last product in this month's box. We're gonna do a quick recap. I'm gonna do final thoughts. We're gonna rate it, and then we'll do our little, I guess, discussion at the end. What I'm gonna do? Oh, announcements at the end. So we received from 1520 this brightening mask here, from Cara Cosmetics this highlighting palette, from Cos Cosmetics this foreshadow quad here, from, who's this from again? Fresh Bombs, the CBD bath oil, and from Teamy, this smooth tea infused oil, which is right here. And last but not least, from Naturally Vain, this Rosy Cheeks facial scrub. So it's 2, 4, 6 products here for the month. Final thoughts. Final thoughts for me is, since this box will remain $19.99 for me, I will keep it because I think that they do give us a lot of brands that I haven't heard of, a lot of indie brands, and they usually have a lot of good products in the box once I go back and start using the products. However, if they were going to increase my price to $24.99 each month, I would definitely cancel this subscription. And this is my own personal opinion, guys. I think that the prices on some of these products are just like insanely overpriced, especially this Crescent Moon palette from Cos Cosmetics, which I know is not a very expensive brand. And for them to put this as $45, and when I open it, this shadow looks like that, like it's just falling out. I think that's a bit of a stretch, Cos Cosmetics or the box, whomever priced this for Shadow Quad. Y'all know I would not pay that for no full shadows. And then, I mean, the colors are very pretty, I will say that, but are they worth $45? Absolutely not. No, no way. That's my personal opinion. $40 for this face oil. Teamy seems to be like a pretty pricey brand. I have looked on their website for some of their stuff, and for the most part, I think I've used, I know it wasn't a face mask I used. It was something else that I used that I actually kind of liked from them. So I will see, but $40 is a bit, I don't know, y'all. The box to me with just one little bath bomb for $12, I don't know. If they were increasing my price, I would definitely cancel the subscription because I don't think that it's worth it to go up $24.99. And like this month's box just wasn't appealing. I mean, it was an okay box. The highlighter palette made it for me, but the rest of the products, it was just okay, you know, like I see it's a lot of skincare instead of makeup, which that will have to be like a determining factor for me in the future because I do like makeup heavy boxes. So we will have to see how the box plays out. Please let me know your thoughts down below in the comments on what you thought of the products as well as some of the prices. And be honest, guys. Let me know if you agree with me, cool. If you don't, that's still fine. I just want to know your thoughts down below. If I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Fashionsta based on, oh, it's so hot, based on this right here being $45, and I know that's not the case. I'm going to give them a 2 for this month for me. I don't think that it was bad for $19.99, but for $24.99, I definitely would not keep this subscription. So I'm going to go 2.5 because I will actually use this palette. I'm going to try this oil. I'm giving this away. This is probably, I'm going to use this, but I mean, it came damaged already. The mask I'll probably put in a giveaway for you guys. The bath bomb I might use. I don't know. So I don't know how many people would actually be able to use everything in the box. So, and that's all I have as far as the box is concerned. That's it. So now let's get to my announcements, and then we're going to be done with this video. Okay, so before we go any further, I want to do my shout outs to my 5 commenters from my Glitz Glam unboxing, my first 5 commenters. And I hope I'm saying you guys' name. I apologize if I don't. I will put them down on the screen or somewhere up here so that you guys can see exactly who I'm talking about. But thank you ladies so much for clicking me and being my first 5. Miss Leona, the Good Nurse, thank you girl. Patricia Smalley, Jean Eldridge, Erin Gold, and Monica Myers. Thank you all so much for being my first 5 commenters on my Glitz Glam box. I appreciate you ladies tremendously. Thank you. I know I told you all in my Glitz Glam box, I think, that I was going to be doing the 2K giveaway on New Year's Eve. Well, that plan has changed because my sister is getting married New Year's Day. So I'm pre-filming a couple of videos so that I can help her plan. So I will not be able to do the 2K giveaway on New Year's Eve. Instead, we're going to do it on Wednesday, January 8th. For my small giveaways that I do on some of my unboxings, I'm going to start using a comment picker to pick my winner for those smaller giveaways. But for my big giveaways, I'm going to be doing my old Ride or Die subscribers as well as my new Ride or Die subscribers. So we're going to have a combination of both. I go back to a few videos and see who is consistently commenting and liking and subscribe to me and show support, and those are the people that I put into my basket, and then we do a drawing. It's going to be open to my old and my new, but you have to be rocking with me and consistently commenting and interacting with me, guys, to be entered into my 2K giveaway, which is going to be on January the 8th. Okay, that's a Wednesday. I think that's it. Yes, and I'm going to be picking 5 winners. Oh, I put 10. 5 winners. That may change. I may do 6. I don't know. But so far, it's going to be 5 winners that I will be picking on January 8th. So that's all that I have, guys. So if you have not done so already, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Also, follow me on Instagram. All of those links will be down below. Let me know your thoughts on the box. I mean, I don't know. If it was $24.99, this would be a cancel for me. But let me know how you guys feel. I do like the fact that they do include a lot of small brands, a lot of indie brands that we haven't heard of. And some of their products are really good. But I think this month, the total was a little bit... The retail prices for some of these products were a little bit exaggerated. So, yeah. Let me know what you think about that. And that's all that I have, guys. So, until next time and next video, you guys be blessed. I love you all so much. Bye.